Loli, kasi bibili ako ng pagkain. Pupunta ako sa store, sa grocery. Diyan ka lang mamaya na Loli Loli, I'm going to the grocery store. So I cannot take you out for this time. Right now, Loli, I'm going to the grocery store, Loli. I will buy something. Stay there, Loli, When I come back, I will bring you out, okay? Okay, Loli? Diyan ka lang muna. Babalik ako. Lalabas kita, no? Stay there, Loli. When I come back, I'll bring you out, okay? Okay, eat. Eat your food, eat. Maakyat siya, Ayan. She is climbing. She want to go out. She want to go out, but I cannot bring her out right now. I am going to the grocery store, guys. I'm going out, Loli. Stay there. When I come back, I'll bring you down, okay? Diyan ka muna kasi pagbalik ko, tsaka kita ilalabas. Guys, what I'm saying in Filipino, I'm saying it in English. Trying my best. She shout. Look at her. She wanna go out, guys. Gusto niyang lumabas. Aalis ako. Pupunta ako sa grocery. I cannot bring her out right now. I'm going to the groceries. I'm going to the grocery. I need to buy something, Loli. Stay there. When I come back, I'll bring you out. Okay? Okay, Loli? Diyan ka muna. Pagbalik ko, lalabas kita. Nagwawala talaga siya, guys. Gusto niya talagang lumabas, you know. She really wanna go out, guys. She really wanna go out. Look. Take my hand, Loli, and I'll bring you out. Kasi bibili pa ako ng ulam namin. Pagbalik ko, I need to buy our food, Loli. When I come back, I'll bring you out, promise. Promise, Loli. When I come back, I'll bring you out, okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Loli. Stay there. Diyan ka muna. Diyan ka muna, Loli. When I come back, I'll bring you out. Promise. Bye.